Viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I will show how to install Windows 10 on your PC. If you want to install your Windows 10 to your PC, then you need a bootable device, which is maybe disk or maybe USB. So I have USB like pen drive. This is my pen drive which is bootable. So I'll show you how to install from pen drive. I have connected my pen drive to my PC. Now I have to press the power on button and I have to press an escape button to enter the BIOS. I press button on power button and pressing escape for entering BIOS. There's so many options. F9 for boot device option. So I'll press F9. Though this is the HP PC, but it is on F9 boot device option. And this is my USB hard drive, which is bootable. Select this and press enter. Press enter. Then I'll install the Windows 10. Select Windows 10 and press enter. You have to wait here for a while. Press on next, nothing to change here. Install now. Setting it starting. And skip this step. I don't have a product key. And select the desired one, which one you install. I'm selecting the 10 Pro and accept the license agreement and press next. And custom installation procedure. You have to be more careful during deleting on your hard disk, because if you delete here you will lose your data. So you have to be more conscious. So I'll install the Windows 10 on this drive. So I have select and delete. Okay. And this unallocated space is my desired drive. New. Apply. And this is the drive, and it should be selected and press next. And here 5 steps: copying Windows file and getting file installation and installation feature, installing update. It will take a few minutes. You have to wait here. 0 to 100%. Already 1%, it will take at least 10 minutes. You can see 71% done. You have to be patient to complete this procedure. And that's completed, and your PC will take restart several times during installation. Installing updates. This will take a restart, or you may restart manually. Getting device ready. You have to wait here for a while. almost job done already, maybe. No PS2 left, just you have to wait. You can mute. United States. Go, Vigon. You may select Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Yes. Keyboard English India. Keyboard layout English India. Speak. Skip for now. No. You have to type a PC name. I'm giving it the name user. No need to type password now. No device activity history, no. Accept. Now my PC is fully ready to use. My Windows setup is fully complete. Now right click, go to personalize and press the theme, then go to desktop icon, computer, network, user files and control panel. Apply, OK. Sort by name. This is the PC. Now it's fully ready to use.